Welcome to our video guide on launching your personal cybersecurity software company in the USA. In just a few minutes, we'll give you a step-by-step breakdown of how to achieve success in this competitive industry. So, let's get started. Step 1. Identify your target market. Research and analyze the cybersecurity needs of individuals in the USA. Determine which demographics have the highest demand for personal cybersecurity software. Step 2. Develop your software. Design a user-friendly interface with robust features, such as antivirus protection, encrypted data storage, and secure browsing. Ensure your software can adapt to future threats by regularly updating and improving its functionality. Step 3. Establish a legal entity. Register your company as a limited liability company or corporation to protect your personal assets. Consult with a business attorney and accountant to ensure compliance with all necessary regulations. Step 4. Build a team of experts. Recruit cybersecurity professionals with experience in software development, threat analysis, and customer support. Having a skilled team ensures the efficacy of your software and provides excellent service to your customers. Step 5. Create a marketing strategy. Develop a comprehensive plan to promote your software and attract customers. Utilize social media, online advertising, and content marketing to generate awareness and drive sales. Step 6. Establish partnerships. Collaborate with other technology companies or industry influencers to expand your reach and credibility. Seek strategic alliances that can help you penetrate new markets and increase customer trust. Step 7. Provide outstanding customer support. Offer 24/7 assistance to address any concerns or issues your customers may have. Providing exceptional support will differentiate your company from competitors and build long-lasting relationships. Step 8. Continuously innovate. Stay ahead of the ever-evolving cybersecurity landscape by investing in research and development. Regularly update your software with the latest security measures and enhancements to provide the best protection for your customers. By following these steps, you can establish a successful personal cybersecurity software company in the USA. Remember, it won't be easy, but with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on entrepreneurship and cybersecurity.